In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subscribe form in WordPress. If you want to make it easy for visitors to follow your website and receive updates, adding a subscribe form is a simple and useful feature. In WordPress, this can be done directly from the site editor, and the process only takes a moment once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly, so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to your site editor in WordPress. This is the area where you can customize the layout and content of your site using blocks. If you're using a block theme, the site editor gives you a visual way to add elements exactly where you want them. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the page or template section where you want the subscribe form to appear. Next, look to the top left corner of the editor and click the plus icon. This is the block inserter, and it allows you to add new content blocks to your site. Think of it as the main tool for inserting features like text, images, buttons, and in this case, a subscription form. Clicking this icon opens a panel where you can browse or search for blocks. After that, type subscribe into the search field. Searching is the fastest way to find the exact block you need, especially if there are many available options in the editor. As you type, WordPress will filter the list and show blocks related to subscriptions. This helps you avoid scrolling through the full block library and saves time. Once you see the subscribe block in the results, click on subscribe. This will insert the subscribe form into your page or template. From there, the block will appear directly in the editor, and you can position it in the section where you want your visitors to sign up. This is typically a good fit for places like a footer, sidebar, homepage section, or blog page, depending on your site layout. After inserting it, you can review how it looks within your design and make sure it fits naturally with the rest of your content. A subscribe form works best when it's placed somewhere visible and easy to access, so take a moment to check its placement before moving on. And that's it. That's how to add a subscribe form in WordPress using the site editor. Once you've added it, your site will have a simple way for visitors to stay connected and receive updates from you.